Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Swaggy, and today I'm inviting you with us to have lunch. So we did plan to go to Gloria's because we found Gloria's here in the island village. You see, I wanted escovitch fish, but it's closed. They are very sorry. So I don't know where we can go now for lunch. We're gonna eat. I found one Italian restaurant on the way to the Ochi town, and I don't know. What about Italian restaurant? I don't know. You wanna check it out? What you got, Danny? What you got? Скажи, что это? What is that, Danny? It's a nanny. Nanny, show your nanny. Alright, Danny with a nanny. Good. Yeah. Say nanny. It's a nanny. 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 500 in Jamaican. Nanny. So guys, we came to a Taj Mahal Plaza. They have a lot of souvenirs shops here. And
Daddy, we're there.
And you know, like every souvenir shop got the same stuff, but like there are millions here. The same stuff here. So we are going to an Italian restaurant with Jamaican artistry. Okay. No, I think it's different. It's different, Terrell. I don't think so. Or you can. Maybe. Oh, let's check. No, this is a craft shop. No, I don't know what it is. This is a cafe. Yeah. Different entrance.
You think you can walk through those fancy?
No, you can't. Leo,
Guitar. It's a guitar. It's a guitar. Yeah.
so here in Ocho Rios,
We're
you can find a lot of coffee shops where you can just sit and get access to Wi-Fi and just chill, you know what I'm saying?
Scared.
So let's check out.
Scared.
No, pass. Here. Next one. So I'm gonna try to find. Oh, them close. Huh? Oh, it is. Okay. Oh, you could. Then it means that you could walk in. Oh, that is it. Oh. Okay. They have tiramisu. All right. It's like a souvenir shop, aka bistro, whatever it is. Alright, thanks. So let's check out the prices. I hope you guys can see the prices. I'm probably gonna grab a pasta and the pizzas. Pizzas for 1,000. From 1,300 to 2,500. Okay, they have a lot of stuff. Not bad. And guys, look at the shop. I really love how inside looks. This sells wooden stuff, proudly made in Jamaica. Okay, let me show you what they have. They have even some Jamaican made cosmetic or whatever it is, oils and jewelries. Oh my god, this stuff is so nice. Paintings. And I wanted to get something like that for our new house. Look at it. Looks cool. And little paintings here. Wow. And like I told you guys, they're real. No, oh, I think I can't even touch it. Yeah, well, it looks cool. It looks cool. From here you can see the turtle towers. Yeah. hold it, Leo. Hold it, hold your cup. Okay. Oh yeah, I would love. It's like Jamaican made chocolate. Yeah, guys, see Jamaican made chocolate. Oh, nice. So guys, Daniel came with his own money and he bought himself a juice. We have a lot of masks. So let me show you because the guy said I can walk inside the shop. Creative, yeah. And I guess that is the lady who makes stuff. They have a lot of like stuff with African print. What is that? It's like a bracelet with African print. Nice. I like the bag too. Look at this bag. This is definitely nice beach bag to rock on the beach, and it's like super eco-friendly. Nice. Paintings. I wonder how much for this one. Must be really expensive though. Ooh. And jewelries like made from Jamaican craft materials. Those like shells and stuff. I love they look really cute. Look at those. I love. It's nice. Yeah, so the guy said that the artist who makes everything here in the shop is from Kingstonian. And here you can see, I guess he's a celebrity. Yeah, and the lady, maybe she makes the stuff also. I have no idea, I'm just guessing, but it's very, very beautiful and authentic. And I was looking at it, you know. I was looking at those earrings. They're creative though. Prices, $20 for the pair of them. And they have more little bags, like bags that you put over your shoulder. How much for it? $60, and this is for $50 US, guys. Prices are in US dollars. Yeah. And that's me, and that is it. They have a lot of cute bracelets. Look. Yeah. Oh, this bag is super huge. Look at it. Wow, this bag is even bigger than me though. It's cute. Yeah. And this is, I guess it's like a local stuff. Soap. Bars of soap. Hand and body lotion. Even lotion. Scrubs. Scrubs. How much for it? How much for those? Sadly, some of them don't have prices. So I guess you have to ask. But some have, like for example, this soap is for $10. Here, Jamaican vegan made soap. Oh, beer soap. Look, the design of the red stripe. How much for it? $8. Made in Jamaica with the pure larger beer. So you guys gonna smell the red stripe. If you're gonna beat yourself, you're gonna smell like a red stripe. Yeah, and here, oh, she painted the bags. Nice, like real paint. Nice. Look, Jamaicans are really creative people, you know. Pouches, look, coins, bags. But my absolute love is African print. I just love the colors. I just love the combination, the brightness, and I don't know. I just love African print. Just give you vibes, you know. Makes your life not that boring. Oh, somebody told me, Swaggy, try to buy this head because the sun is a killer in Jamaica. Let me try it. Ooh, it's like a lot of them. So, how does it look? Did I put it right? So, look at Swaggy on the island. No, wait. No. Two of them. Memaduman, guys. I was putting two in one time. So this is the head. So, guys, should I get it or I look like a maduman? But I'm sure no sun can reach you here, cause look on that. And you see, guys, Era, look, it's a dream catcher. That's what I want to buy and put it in front of the house. Yeah, because that thing, as them say, like it catches the bad spirit. So, guys, this is the pesto, the pasta, and this is the salad. You can put it there, yeah. And kids ordered the what? Danny Leo pizza. See the pizza? But it looks really mini. So 1,000 for that. So how much for it? 1,000 or something? No, 650. That's small though. Alright, Leo, come. It's like a really baby pizza. Baby. Let me see. Yeah, Evan. It's baby pizza. Alright, so I'm gonna try my pesto without meat, just cheese and and salad. I'm gonna try it. If it's really that good. It's not bad. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. But I don't Errol like it. Errol needs to try it. Because Errol is not really on that foreign mood. You like it, Leo? It's tasty? The pizza is tasty? Huh? You don't like it? Okay, Leo don't like it. So what about Errol?
Then you gonna try it?
Can you give me a small piece? I want to try. You don't want to give me a piece?
Of course, more get it. You don't want to try. You don't want to question. You want to question? What is?
It's not bad. It's alright. So do you like the pizza, Errol?
It's okay.
Tastes okay? Baby pizza. Danny, you want some pizza? You don't want? Look, guys, Daniel. Oh, Daniel travels. Leo, you want some pizza? No.